So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll cover the most important topic, how you can reach up to the basic milestone, and if you have already achieved some milestone, what are the steps next for redeeming the prize. Apart from this, if you are purely new and want to participate from the June itself, so how are the step-by-step guide. So first of all, if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel for more such amazing videos. So first of all, as you can see, we are here in the arcade homepage, and here the arcade novice is having 20 arcade points, trooper is 40, and similarly the legend has 85. So how you can reach these points and how the point works. So first of all, let's start with the game. What is a arcade game? Basically, arcade game is a series of laps. Basically, it has 10 to 12 laps, and you have to complete these laps, and in exchange of laps, you earn this badge. And once you earn this badge, you get some points, whether it's 1 or 2. It's always mentioned on the arcade hand page. So let's cover it. And in at last, when you accumulate these points, and when these points uh, reach up to these limits like 20, 40 or 65, you will be able to redeem these kinds of goodies. Remember, you will be able to redeem all the set of goodies, not individual goodies. Okay, like if you achieve novice milestone 20 points, you will be able to redeem all these three. And for trooper, you can redeem more prizes will be added, no need to worry about it. There is not only a one shot in 75 points, so wait for it. Now here, as you can see, there is the level, basically a special game. So the benefit of a special game is that, as you can see in the arcade homepage, all games have one arcade point, but this special game comes with two arcade points. So this is a special flash game, and this game lasts for very few days, like sometimes a week or 14 days. As you can see, it started today at 5:30 p.m. and will be ending on 17th of June around 11:59. To be more precise, 17th of June it will be ending. So you have very less time, so you can complete it. So how will complete it? Where is the guide? Don't worry, I will tell you everything. First of all, let's cover these games. So once you complete all these games, you will be able to redeem the prizes. So if you are new to this channel and also to the program, how you can do. So here is the playlist. What you need to do, I'll share the link, because if I start explaining everything in this video, it will be lengthy, but I will brief everything. No need to worry about it. So if you want to participate, how to create account, how to sign in, how to subscribe to Arcade, you can watch this video. I will link this video in the description. Here I have shared detailed guide how you can start, where is the skill badges list, and how you'll able to achieve the top tier milestones. Similarly for the second video, like how you can complete these games, and plus 44 skill patches list is also there. Apart from these, some common FAQs like when price counter opens, how many accounts I can use, how many times I can order price, multiple price, skill badges points, point issue, swag drops, etc. all have been covered here. One more important thing is that you can see I have created all the playlist. You can watch it, and let me show you one more thing, the swag drops. So here some swag drops are also there. If you want, you can check it out, and you can see here. So here are the official swags unboxing. That is, as you have seen, these are the swag drops which are revealed here. You can see here that, wait a minute. Here is the laptop stand, mug, t-shirt. All are there in the playlist. You can see the laptop stand, mug, t-shirt. You can watch the live unboxing, how the product actually looks. The pictorial image might be different from the original one, so you can just view the live image, live video. So you this thing I have covered. Now first thing is that you need to subscribe to the arcade. First step, once you have created account, how you can create account, let me brief it so that you don't face any issue. What you can do, just click here, click on any game first of all. Suppose you have clicked on this, then click on join, and here just enter your details like name, personal email, etc. and create account. Just like you create any normal account, you have to create it like this. After that, you have to make your public profile public. So how will you make the public profile public? If you want, you can watch this video. Let me show you. Wait a minute. Where is the video? Here is the video. I think I closed the playlist. Sorry. So if you watch that video, you will get the answer, that zero to hero. But still, let me show you how you can find the public profile. You have to just click here. Go to settings and just scroll down a bit. And as you can see here, our option is this option by default will be unchecked. So you have to just click here. It will be available. So this is your public profile. First of all, make the public profile public. After that, what you need to do, you have to just enter this form. So where I open this form, can you say here from here? Just from the subscribe here, click here and just enter the form. Enter your email here. So just copy the email here. It's already entered. So just paste over here. What you can read this terms and condition and just click on yes and just submit. So after that you will get a copy of this form response like what you have filled in your mailbox, and you can cross verify the confirmation email. There won't be any confirmation emails. This response copy means you are subscribed to Arcade. No need to worry about it. So now this thing we have done. Now let's cover the game. So suppose you are to complete this game. So how you will join the game? When you click on start, this page will open. So here you have to join the game. So for joining game, I think here the join game will show. Let me first of all sign out. I've already created the video. Let me show you if you haven't seen this. How you can join the game is also present. So you can see it directly. This when you're able to watch it, you will see how to join any game. So similarly, just join the game access code, and here you will be getting the labs. So here multiple labs are there, 8 labs are there. So how will you find the solution? Here is the sheet. Let me show you the sheet once again. Here the sheet for level 1 to special game also there. So the special game playlist will be updated. I mean the game URL. Playlists have been already updated, so no need to worry about it. So here is the playlist. When you click on, it will be redirected to this. You can complete all these labs and earn 2 arcade points. Similarly, for the level 1, 2, 3, suppose you want to complete week 1, just go to the week 1 playlist. Okay. So here are the week 1 solutions. You can complete all of them. And the another important thing is that once you have completed all these games, you'll be getting 10 arcade points. But the problem was that you want to add 11 arcade points. So yes, one more special game, that is Arcade Certification Zone game. Let me show you how does it looks like. So like this, a game will be coming in the this month only, and you'll be getting 1 point. So total we have 10 games, and 10 games we have. One game is special game with 2 arcade points. So indirectly we have 11 arcade points, and for remaining 9 games, basically 9 points. How will you achieve for Novice Milestone? You have to just go to the sheet, and from here open this sheet. So for 9 games, you need to do one thing, that is you have to do 9 games, not 9 points. You have to do 18 skill badges. So for this, let me show you. Here is 10 skill badges sheet. So what you need to do, when you will click on this, you'll be redirected to this sheet. And here basically when you will complete all these 10 labs, you'll be able to get the 10 badges. So indirectly it makes 5 arcade points. So now you have 11 plus 5, 16. Now you need to complete 8 more skill badges to reach 20 points. So where you'll find the complete skill badges? Here is the sheet. This is the sheet. More than 50 plus skill badges are there. You can complete accordingly. If you face an issue, you can let me know in the comments. The main thing is that you need to understand what is more important. So here all labs and trivias are there, and suppose you want to reach the triple milestone. So let's calculate it. So you have achieved, you have to just complete how many? So you have 20 arcade points by doing the total, I mean 10, 5, 5, 16 plus 4. So you have completed. Let me show you how you can. Let's complete online notepad. So just select any notepad. No need to worry about it. You can use a personal notepad also. So better use personal only. So let's use this. So you have 20 points. Well, 11 arcade games and 9 into 10 pre-assessment badge equal 5 arcade points. And one more thing is that you are doing 4 needed for 8 skill badge for 8 skill badges for 4 arcade points. So total it will be 20. So for 40, how many skill badges we need? So for 40, how many skill badges you need depending on your requirement. So for 40, suppose you have completed some games in January, March, April. So you have to just calculate it from that only. So how will calculate it? Let me show you. As you can see here, one game badge gives 1 point and level gives 1 point. Similarly, trivia gives 1 point and two skill badges give 1 point. So what you have to do, you have to just count it manually, like using this point system and do the skill badge accordingly. Like if you want to achieve the 40 points, you can do 80 skill badges, or just suppose you completed 20 skill badges, then you will be able to get 10 arcade points. So better complete 40 skill badges if you want. And if you have completed the June games, what you mean is 11 arcade points here. So 11 arcade points have been already done. So 11 arcade points we have done. Then for the same as I said earlier, 4 will be the 8 skill badges, and the remaining, how much was remaining? Let me show you here. 5 arcade points we are getting from the dispatch. 10 skill badges equal to 10 laps. So we have 20. So for the 40 skill badges, 40 points, we need to do 40 skill badges. We have to do more 40 skill badges. Okay, all right, I get it. So for more, suppose you want to earn the 40 points back. So for that, you need to complete 20 more skill badges. Sorry. 40 more skill badges. Sorry. 40 more skill badges you have to complete, and you'll be able to reach 40 points, because 20 points we have already covered. So we have to just do some more skill badges, and similarly for the ranger. So I won't recommend to go to up to the champion care. I hope that is also not possible now. But try to do only up to the novice trooper or max to max ranger, not go for champion or legend. Basically, you won't be able to go to the legend milestone, because those many skill badges are also not there. We have only 85 skill badges in the cloud skill boost. So try to complete these meaning only. And if you face any issue, you can let me know in the comments. More prizes will be revealed soon, and the price counter date is around 27 for 27, sorry, that is second week of July. Mostly, if everything runs fine, then we'll be able to complete it. So that's all for today. I hope you like the video. Like the video and subscribe the channel. If you face any issue, do let me know in the comments. Thank you guys. Have a great